NaviFly 8-core Android Auto Car Radio. Designed specifically for BMW X5 E70 and X6 E71 models from 2007 to 2014. Equipped with CCC6 systems. This innovative device combines cutting-edge features such as wireless CarPlay, 4G connectivity, Wi-Fi, GPS, and Bluetooth, creating an all-in-one solution for modernizing your BMW's infotainment system. One of the standout features of the NaviFly 8-core Android Auto Car Radio is its wireless CarPlay functionality. CarPlay allows seamless integration between your smartphone and your car's infotainment system, providing access to navigation, music, calls, and messaging without the need for tangled wires. This wireless convenience adds a touch of modern sophistication to your BMW X5 E70 or X6 E71. The NaviFly 8-core is equipped with a powerful 8-core processor, ensuring smooth and responsive performance. This enhancement translates to faster app loading times, smoother graphics, and overall improved user experience. Whether you're navigating through the system menus or running multiple applications simultaneously, the 8-core processor delivers optimal performance. Navigation is a crucial aspect of any modern car, and the NaviFly 8-core excels in this department. The built-in GPS system provides accurate and real-time navigation, ensuring you reach your destination efficiently. The intuitive interface and high-resolution display make it easy to follow directions and explore new routes with confidence. Staying connected on the go is made easy with the 4G connectivity and Wi-Fi features of the NaviFly 8-core. The device supports high-speed data transfer, allowing you to stream music, access online services, and stay connected with friends and family. The addition of Wi-Fi ensures a stable and reliable connection even in areas with limited cellular coverage. Bluetooth technology further enhances the NaviFly 8-core's connectivity options. Whether you want to make hands-free calls, stream music from your smartphone, or connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, this feature provides a versatile and convenient solution. The NaviFly 8-core Android Auto Car Radio represents a significant advancement in car infotainment technology, especially for BMW X5 E70 and X6 E71 models, with CCC6 systems from 2007 to 2014. By integrating wireless CarPlay, a powerful 8-core processor, advanced GPS navigation, 4G and Wi-Fi connectivity, and Bluetooth functionality, NaviFly elevates the driving experience, making it more enjoyable, connected, and technologically sophisticated. Upgrade your BMW with the NaviFly 8-core and embrace the future of automotive technology.